Hey space explorers! Ever imagine touching a star? Sounds crazy, right? We think of stars as blazing hot balls of fire. But what if I told you there are types of suns out there that are so cold, you could, theoretically, touch them? Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cold stars. We're talking about three main types of cold stars: brown dwarfs, future frozen stars, and the eventual black dwarfs. First up, we have brown dwarfs. These are the runts of the stellar litter. They're not quite planets, and not quite proper stars. Think of them as failed stars. They're way bigger than Jupiter, ranging from 13 to 80 times its mass. But unlike our sun, they don't fuse regular hydrogen. Instead, they fuse a rarer type called deuterium. And because deuterium is scarce, they run out of fuel relatively quickly. This means they cool down, sometimes reaching room temperature or even colder. And get this, some brown dwarfs have water vapor clouds in their atmospheres. That makes them a potential target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Imagine life floating in the clouds of a cold star. The problem is, because they're so cold, they're incredibly hard to detect. There's even a chance one might be lurking closer to us than Alpha Centauri, our nearest star system. If we found one closer, think how much easier it would be to study it. Now, let's fast forward trillions of years into the future. The universe is evolving. It started with mostly hydrogen and helium. Stars have been fusing these into heavier elements, enriching the cosmos. In this far-off future, stars will form with a much higher concentration of heavy elements, like iron. This will make it possible for stars to fuse hydrogen at much lower masses, around 40 times the mass of Jupiter. And here's the mind-blowing part: these stars, nicknamed frozen stars, could be so cold that they'd have water ice clouds. Imagine stars with frozen oceans in their atmospheres. Finally, we have black dwarfs. These are the remnants of white dwarf stars, which are themselves the remnants of stars like our sun. White dwarfs shine because of the leftover thermal energy from their fusion days. But eventually, they'll radiate all that heat away and become black dwarfs. These will be the ultimate cold stars, essentially giant, cold, dark stellar corpses. So, there you have it. Brown dwarfs, frozen stars, and black dwarfs, proof that the universe is full of surprises. While we might not be able to touch a brown dwarf anytime soon, the idea of cold stars is truly fascinating. It shows us how diverse and ever-changing the cosmos is. What do you think? Would you want to visit a cold star? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing space content.